In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage locations on Shopify. Whether you're running a business with multiple stores or you simply want to keep track of your inventory across different spots efficiently, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Shopify admin and go to the Settings option located in the lower left corner of your dashboard. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Locations. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on the Locations tab. You'll see several options that help you add, edit, or view all the locations tied to your store. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. Shopify's interface is designed to be very user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you have the correct physical addresses ready for each location, including country, state or province, postal codes, and any other essential details. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent errors in shipping and reporting. Once you've clicked Add Location, start by giving your location a unique and recognizable name. Click the pencil icon next to the default name, type in your chosen name, and then click Done. After that, manage the physical address by clicking the pencil icon next to the Address section. Select the country or region from the drop-down menu, enter the full address accurately, and choose the appropriate state or province. Double-check everything to ensure all details are correct. Accuracy is key for proper delivery, tax settings, and reporting. After completing all the required fields, click Save to apply your changes. After that, you should be able to see all your locations organized and ready for use without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to periodically review your locations to make sure everything is up to date, especially if you expand or relocate any store. Taking this extra step ensures smooth operations and keeps your Shopify system accurate. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to manage locations on Shopify easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be running multi-location stores. Why not make someone's Shopify management a lot easier?